Hello friend, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. I am also doing well. Thank you for all the love, support and the subscription. Thank you so much. I really overwhelmed. Today I will make another different video which I haven't shared before. So this is my first time I will try in front of camera. I usually do that by myself different time, but here I will try first time. So that gonna be a blue smoky eyes. It is a makeup thing that I told. So let's stay tuned with me. Let's see how I can do more better in front of camera, right? For making the blue smoky eyes, I already have applied little bit of foundation in my face, which I previously applied. Because today we will be only focused on the blue smoky eyes, so that's why I didn't show you. But I already have showed in my another video here in this channel that how I did my makeup. If you want, then you can go and check that also. Thank you so much for checking also. And the ingredients or the beauty products I will need to make the smoky eyes or the entire my makeup look. So here is all the ingredients I will show you. And after finishing my makeup look, the smoky eyes, I selected one dress for that, and that's gonna be a really creative. So you can take them look at a time. So let's take a look. So now I will start my makeup look. So let me go a little closer, otherwise you won't see me nicely. So what I will do, the first I will take this hairband here and tie my hair up here so that they don't interrupt me when I will create the smoky look. And here is my eyeshadow palette. So before I start, okay, this is, you know, when you will show something in front of camera is always opposite direction. So this is contour and concealer together. So I am using little bit because I don't have dark circles, so I always put little bit of concealer here and also here. It also come with the liquid form, but I chose like a dry form. And I always use them, melt them with my hand because you know, I'm not too much used to with the makeup blender. You can say this is of little bit of correction. If you have some dark spot here, the concealer helps to remove that, because when you will do your entire eye makeup and yeah, that feels like give you a really even feeling, like it feels like really even and like perfect color. And now I will be using this is my eyebrow pencil. I will be using them to enhance my eyebrow. My eyebrows are not that dark, so I'm using the brown color because naturally my eyebrow has brown color. They are not black at all. When we will try little bit of makeup and we will think that we will do a little bit of makeup, at the same time we also think that this is very time consuming, so and often we get afraid, no, I don't have that much time to spend. And so today I will, whatever I'm showing you, that will be not time consuming. It's like very easy to do. Yeah, so I already, my brows are together here, so I didn't do this part because that's fine. And now, which I will use, oh, I don't know you will able to see or not, maybe it is focusing. I have a multicolor of eyeshadow palette. From here, wait, I will be using the blue one. This is the blue one I will be using, but before I use that one, I will be using, okay, let's start first this one because I do by myself, like this is my own style. So I need it little fairer one, but I will use that one. So here, so I applied my eyeshadow here. That I told you it will be a blue smoky eyes. So this is the eyeshadow I already have put. So now the point is, you can see this part is feels like little shadow. For like, you need to show your eyebrow nicely, like nice and thicker. So what we will do now, so we can use that one is the, oh sorry, you can see that one is the little bit of golden shade. So I can use, I'm using the same brush. Don't do panic if you don't have much brush. I don't have it also, so I am only using this one. So you can use that one here, and also you can apply to the corner. Okay, we often know that the dark color and the light color, they always, you know, they always highlighted each other. So if I use the dark color in the down, I always have to put the light color on the top, like this. Yeah. So that's done, I think. Now I need to little bit of corner so that especially now I am focusing on the corner side. Look. Now I take a thin brush. Now I'm using also the same, the blue one. Look, the blue one. And doing it on the lower lash line. Here also the same thing I will be doing. Yeah, our eyeshadow part almost done. Now I will be doing, this is one Lakme 925. This is my favorite liner. So apply very thinly. See, very thinly. Oh my god. Now put the kajal. Very thinly. Okay, this is the last part, our mascara. I haven't used any lashes, okay, because I have difficult to use them, so I will be curl my own lashes. I'm not good at all to use the fake lashes, so that I apply my own, whatever God gave me, I use that. So I feel like I am done. Now you have to take like this kind of one brush, like broom, and wash everything, whatever you had from. So my smoky eyes is complete, and now I will be using one blusher here. Pink and the blue, they are really a great combination. I'm done. So I'm coming with my entire look. Hey guys, I have to say goodbye now. That was my entire look today, that I created the blue eyes and the dress I made with the sari, just normal sari, and hope you guys like it. So we will meet with another video very soon. Till then, tata, bye bye, love you and take care. And thank you all of you for all the subscription, love and support. Bye. Thank you for watching.